Hi everyone and welcome back to Pushchair Expert. If you're on the hunt for a long-lasting, safe and seriously comfortable car seat that will take your child from birth all the way up to 7 years old, then you'll want to stick around for this one. Today we're taking a closer look at the Recaro Xenon 1. It's an all-in-one eye-sized car seat that offers safety, style and practicality in equal measure. It's designed and engineered in Germany and it's packed with thoughtful features like 360 rotation, advanced side impact protection and premium materials. So let's dive in and see what makes this car seat a standout choice for growing families. So let's start off with the build and design of this car seat. The Xenon 1 certainly looks and feels like a premium product, with its sleek modern styling and a choice of sophisticated colours, including fresh black, gallant grey, epic green, elegant beige, and a vibrant pop of orange. You can match it to your car's interior or to your personal taste. But it's not just about good looks over here. The seat shell is solid and sturdy and breathable. The OEcoTech certified fabrics are soft against your baby's skin, perfect for newborns and children with sensitive skin. The removable covers are also washable, which is always a plus for busy parents, and we all know those accidents happen. The newborn insert is made from plush memory foam, offering a snug, supportive fit for the tiniest of passengers. And the internal width adjusts as your little one grows, ensuring a comfy ride every step of the way. Now, importantly, the safety features of this car seat. When it comes to safety, the Xenon 1 does really shine. It's fully eye-size certified, meaning it meets the latest European regulations, the ECE R129 regulations, and is designed to offer the best possible protection in the event of a crash. One of the standout features is the trapezoidal side impact protection system, the SIP. This advanced design helps to absorb and disperse forces away from your child during the event of a side-on collision, especially around the head and torso areas. We also love that the seat includes a safety lock to prevent premature forward-facing use before 15 months, helping to ensure that parents and those eager grandparents follow the safest guidelines. And with Recaro's motorsport heritage, you can really feel the racing-grade safety tech has been brought into family life. Now, comfort and seating. Comfort is absolutely top tier here. Whether your little one is taking a quick trip to the shops or napping during a long drive, the Xenon 1 has it covered. The recline angles are generous, up to 165 degrees rearward facing and 135 degrees forward facing, making it a great seat for snoozing toddlers. The headrest is made of memory foam. It's not only soft and supportive, but also helps to absorb vibrations on bumpy roads, making their sleep so much smoother. There's even a ventilated shell with hexagonal airflow holes to help regulate your child's temperature, ideal for warm days or summer road trips. Now, ease of use and adjustability is super important for all parents, making trips that much easier. And if you've ever tried to wrestle a wriggly toddler into a car seat, you'll know how much of a game changer a 360 rotating car seat can be. With the Xenon 1, the seat smoothly rotates towards the door so you can strap your child in without twisting your back, a lifesaver for parents with younger children. The integrated ISOFIX system and support leg make installation quick and secure, with visual indicators to confirm when everything is correctly fitted. Adjusting the harness and headrest is simple too, and the seat really does grow with your child, with plenty of room as they get older. And from personal experience, the support leg adds peace of mind, and the seat's not too heavy considering it's a birth to 7 years model. It feels solid but still manageable when you need to move it between vehicles. Now let's talk about the price of this car seat. It is priced between £369 and £389. The Recaro Xenon 1 falls into the mid to premium category, but when you consider it's suitable from birth to around 7 years old or 40 to 125 centimeters, it really does offer an excellent long-term value. For this price, you're also getting top-level safety, everyday comfort, easy installation, and a design that's built to last. And with the added touches like washable covers, optional summer accessories, high-quality materials, it's clear that Recaro has really thought about what families need from their car seat on a day-to-day basis. So, what's our verdict? The Recaro Xenon 1 is a brilliant all-rounder that ticks every box for growing families. Whether you're a new parent or upgrading from an infant carrier, it delivers the safety features you want, the comfort your child needs, and the ease of use that makes everyday life a little bit simpler. It's stylish, thoughtfully engineered, and built to keep up with your child over the years. If you're looking for a car seat that truly does it all, the Xenon 1 is definitely worth a look and worth your time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one. And as always, for more expert insights and product comparisons, head over to pushchairexpert.com, where we actually have a blog to accompany all of these videos. Until next time, guys, drive safe and happy parenting. Bye.